The breathalyzer test is a widely used tool for determining a person's blood alcohol content (BAC), and is an important piece of evidence in driving under the influence (DUI) and driving while under the influence (DWI) cases. The breathalyzer test works by measuring the amount of alcohol in a person's breath and is considered to be a reliable indicator of a person's BAC level. The breathalyzer test is typically administered by law enforcement officers during a traffic stop, after a person has been suspected of driving under the influence. The test is usually administered using a handheld device or a stationary machine at the police station. The suspect is asked to blow into the device, which measures the amount of alcohol in their breath. The result is then used as evidence in court to determine whether or not the suspect was impaired at the time of the arrest. The breathalyzer test is considered to be a reliable indicator of a person's BAC level because it measures the amount of alcohol in a person's breath, which is directly related to the amount of alcohol in their blood. However, there are some factors that can affect the accuracy of the breathalyzer test. For example, if the breathalyzer machine is not properly calibrated or maintained, or if the test is not administered correctly, the results may be inaccurate. Additionally, certain medical conditions or medications can affect the accuracy of the test. It's important to note that the breathalyzer test is not perfect, and the results can be challenged in court. Challenging the calibration and maintenance of the breathalyzer machine. The defense may argue that the breathalyzer machine was not properly calibrated or maintained, which could lead to inaccurate results. Challenging the administration of the test. The defense may argue that the test was not administered correctly, either due to the operator's lack of training or improper procedures. Challenging the medical conditions. The defense may argue that the suspect had a medical condition or was taking medication that could have affected the test results. Challenging the science behind the breathalyzer test. The defense may question the validity of the scientific research that supports the breathalyzer test as a reliable indicator of a person's BAC level. An experienced DUI lawyer would be able to evaluate all the evidence and facts of the case to determine the best way to challenge the breathalyzer test results and protect their client's rights. In conclusion, the breathalyzer test is a widely used tool for determining a person's blood alcohol content and is an important piece of evidence in DUI and DWI cases. However, the breathalyzer test is not perfect and the results can be challenged in court. It's important to consult with an experienced DUI attorney who can evaluate the breathalyzer test and any other evidence in your case and develop a strategy to challenge the prosecution's evidence and protect your rights. Furthermore, it's important to remember that even if the breath test results are accurate, it does not necessarily mean that the person was impaired at the time of driving, as there are many factors that can affect impairment, such as the individual's tolerance, the rate of consumption, and the presence of other drugs in the body.